are getting old. They've been from coast to coast. Well, I take them off to feel the sand between my toes. I've roamed from town to town, and it always gets me down to bear my soul in an empty room full of shadows. You'd laugh if you saw the way I spend my days in a park down by the waterside with the ducks on full display. The ravens, they know me when I roll into town. They squawk out their condolences and follow me around. That's not how I wrote it, but that's how it goes. Couple of coats that keep me from the cold and help me to look fashionable in the snow. It's really coming down in a honky-tonk downtown, 'cause it's Saturday and I really think I like this crowd. Hooting at the moon or crying with a whippoorwill. I'm crazy like a loon, and though I would like to spread my wings and try, there's no time for scenery or chasing butterflies. That's not how I wrote it, but that's how it goes. My favorite jeans that keep me looking clean when it's 6 long days between a place with a washing machine. On the couch of a new friend and blown out by the wind, a kind of soul that I'll likely never see again. Might even like it, you may want to stay, but it's hours to a place where I've got 4 sets to play. That ain't rock and roll, but I guess it's a way to taste and save a life a bit, and then I'll fly away. That's not how I wrote it, that's how it goes.